Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Korean classic, spicy pork bulgogi. Did you know bulgogi in Korean literally translates to fire meat? I mean, the name sells itself. With that said, let's get started. To start, we're going to be making our marinade that we'll be mixing with our pork belly. I'm just going to thinly slice up some onion and then go on to the sauces. To start, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of gochujang, queen of Korean sauces, half a tablespoon of gochugaru, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of mirin, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix that well. Next, we're going to mince 3 garlic cloves and add that straight to our marinade. Pop in our sliced onion and grate half a small apple. Once all the ingredients are combined thoroughly, we're going to grab 300 grams of pork belly and add this straight in. We want each and every slice of pork belly to soak in that fiery red marinade, so make sure you massage the sauce in well. Now grab an airtight container, pop in your pork bulgogi and refrigerate and marinate for at least 2 hours. Heat up your pan on high heat and add oil. Add your marinated pork belly and cook for roughly 8 to 10 minutes or until the pork is lightly charred. Once your pork belly is cooked and slightly charred, add a handful of spring onion and continue to cook for another 30 seconds or so. Looking good. Let's plate up. Last but not least, we're going to serve with some toasted sesame seeds and just a little bit more spring onion. Let's eat. So I'm just going to grab some ssam and pop on that pork belly, grab some kimchi and wrap that up into a little parcel. And gobble that up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. You can find me at noodlewithme_. See you in the next one, guys.